Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be going over the media storage tab in GoHighLevel. So go down there. I just want to say really fast, there are some things, and this will be a shorter video, but there are going to be some things that are really interesting that I almost guarantee you don't know that can make you money with this. And it's really interesting because it's things that you're already doing that you need to let your clients know about or upsell them on. And this is something that is very fascinating. It's people just think, oh, it's just for storing, files, but it's more than that. Okay. And if you stick around, I promise I'm going to explain it. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to show you why this is so important. But first and foremost, please, from the bottom of my heart, smash the sub button, smash the like button. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below or DM me on Facebook for free, and I would love to answer them. So the first thing I'm going to do is just show you the basics of how this works, and I'm going to explain why this is amazing and then show you one last piece. So the media storage very simply just stores the files for each sub account. Okay, that's pictures for the website, social media, whatever, all right here. And you can create folders like this. Okay, you can basically use AI. You got to pay for this. It's like some 0.0 whatever cent, but you can create images with it. So it's just like Midjourney or any of these things. And then you can just upload more stuff like this. So very simple, very straightforward. And then there's, some other media places you can pull from, but it's very simple, very straightforward. That's basically how you do it. Okay, you literally just go in and anything you have, for a business you put here. So I recommend if you just starting working with a company, immediately go in and upload all their files so you have them to play with the website and whatnot. But here's really the main point of this video, because this is so straightforward. It's not rocket science to figure this out. But here is the main thing. I'm going to pull up a little slide, and I want to show you why, on high level, why this is so unbelievably important. Okay, because there's something in particular, and multiple things actually, that this does that make it very valuable. And it's something that you're already doing, you're just not letting them know about. And that's what's important. You can make money by just letting them know extra service you're doing. So let me hop on my slide and show you this. So real quick, why is media storage important? Let me just break this down really fast. Centralized access. Organize all media in one place for easy collaboration. Okay. Enhanced organization. Use folders and tags to quick file retrieval. Optimize usage. Integrate media directly into campaigns for consistent branding. Okay. Simple stuff. Now here's where it gets juicier. Faster load times, improve website performance and user experience. Because images are hosted on their database, they can be properly optimized and squeezed down so you actually get a faster website speed. Remember, that all goes into local SEO and mobile and all that stuff. Version control, track changes and revert to previous versions easily. Big thing, because you can basically keep fresh content based, cost effective. You don't have to have Dropbox or any of these other things, which is big because it's a Dropbox replacement. Security. Secure storage with automatic backups to prevent data loss, another big thing. User-friendly, intuitive design for easy management. So those are the big things, okay? So the big thing is it's reducing, the file time. It's basically doubling as Dropbox or Google Drive. It has all these capabilities, okay, that make it so powerful. But here's the thing. You're already doing these and you're just not letting them know that. So this is one of those things that you're already offering. And you can use it to make your offer more valuable and use it as an upsell with zero cost and effort. It's a service you are doing that you're not telling them about. It's a secret service. You're literally already doing this. It's not like you're pulling something out of this. You're actually already doing it, which means, okay, you can charge more for it. Or you could be like, hey guys, just giving you, the entire media suite for free, hosting your files, making sure they're optimized. Like, guys, this is extra things that you're already doing that you need to be letting your clients know about. That's why the GH Wizard is so incredible. It's because I'm telling you things like this that you already have. Now, if you're working with bigger clients, they're probably not really going to care that much. But really, for a lot of people working with smaller service-based businesses, this is a service that you're giving that you need to let them know about. And even if you don't charge for it, it's a little block of goodwill, and that leads to upsells, okay? Really important stuff, guys. There's these services like this, and I call them secret services, that literally are these services that you're already doing. It's like website hosting. A lot of people don't even think about website hosting, but it's something that you're giving them already, and you want to make sure that you're going over this and letting them know that. Okay, so I hope that made that kind of clear. Like I said, this isn't going to be a life-changing offer. You can't just walk and be like, I'm going to give you media storage, and people are going to pay you thousands of dollars a month. But it's one of those tools that you have in your back pocket that you're already doing. It's not going to take you any extra work, and it will be an extra value add. You know what I mean? This will sweeten your offer, or you can use it to sell more stuff, or you can use it as an upsell or some free, a lead magnet, you name it. It does it. So it's very important to learn this, because this stuff right back here, this is all real. This is all stuff that the media storage unit does. So it's super, super important that you use this on your clients. So let's hop back into high level and let me show you some more stuff. So like for me, for each sub account, if I'm doing stuff with social media, I'm doing stuff with websites, I already have all their stuff in here, but then you can reuse this, okay, for a bunch of other marketing assets in the future, whether that be more images, more stuff with social media, blogs, more website pages, you name it, you have it, and then you can use AI to tweak it, or you get creative, do whatever you want. But this doubles as your Dropbox account. Okay, this is basically Google Drive. Like, this is really, really interesting. And in my opinion, I think this is a great value add that is, like, people just, because it was already kind of part of high level, but they really upgraded it and boosted the storage. And for this, it's like, oh, whatever, it just seems like it was already there. But this is an important piece. It is an important piece. Yes, it's not as big as these other features, but it's one of those little things that's there that you just got to utilize. Okay, so really that's the main thing. Like I said, it's just knowing that and using this little service and using it as a value add, or just letting people know you're doing it, which is just so important, because it is something you're doing and you're doing it for them. And it can double as your Dropbox, or if they have a Dropbox, you can sell them this. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. I'm a little shorter today, but I do hope this, helps and you guys get some stuff from this, because this is something that, you're doing, but you're just not telling them. So I appreciate it. Smash the sub button, smash the like button. And if you have any questions at all, comment down below, okay, or message me on Facebook, and I will answer it completely for free. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.